I hear something weird. Do you hear that? There's these two cats. I don't know if they're gonna fight or make baby kittens. It's kind of it's kind of freaky. It's like 12:45 a.m. and I thought I'd come out for a smoke. And then I sat down and I started hearing that. And I don't know what the fuck that is, but it's kind of freaky. It scared the shit out of me when I came. Poor cats. Anyways, speaking of cats today. Thank you. Thanks. My God. Anyway, speaking of cats, I gave my brother's kitten a nosebleed by accident. I feel super bad about it. Oh my God. Holy fuck. And I didn't mean to. It's a baby kitten, and you know how kittens like to get around your feet? Yeah. I accidentally stepped on her head. And I feel super bad about it. Holy shit. Wonder if we could see them. Probably not. It's gonna get darker. They're over here. They're gone. Look at lots of smooth. Yeah, that was so freaky. God. Anyways. Yeah, I thought that was really, really weird. The most randomest thing I heard. That's never happened before. I just come out for a smoke and heard that freaky noise. I wasn't sure what it was at first, and then I went and looked. And it was the cats. And then they ran behind the truck. Well, one of them did anyways, and then, yeah. Anyways, you guys, have a good night.